Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Scott County in western Arkansas, southwestern Yell County in central Arkansas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Beauchamp, or 11 miles southwest of Waldron, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waldron, Beauchamp, Gravelly, Church Valley, Muddy Creek WMA, Union Hill, Tula, Oleo, Cedar Creek, Waltz Creek, Lufton, Y-City, Nola, Needmore, Harvey's, Bowles, Parks, Blue Ball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.